Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah, and here we are, we're back again for week 3, can you believe it, of our 2026 Reset for a Better Life. If you've missed some of the first ones, don't worry, you can just jump in today. There's no printing out, no checklists, no guilt involved. And otherwise, I will put a link to the series up there. But we're on to day 11. And again, I'm being very specific and telling you exactly what to do, because when I was disorganized, overwhelmed with everything, that's what helped me most. So that's what we're doing today. So you ready for your tiny task? Today's tiny task is I want you to go to your room of doom. You know that area in your house that you feel that, you know, you're in the pit of your stomach. You're thinking, oh no, I don't want to deal with that. But it's all right. Take a deep breath. I want you to just go to that space, go into that room and take, you know, if you've got boxes piled up in there, grab one box, or if things are loose, take a basket, just fill up one basket. And I want you to take that to somewhere else in your home that feels safe to you. Now that could be at your kitchen table, it could be in front of the TV watching your favourite show. And I want you, as usual, I always use a timer because it stops us from going overboard or getting overwhelmed. And it tells us when to stop, that it's all right, we can deal with this. 15 minutes, and you're going to take a deep breath and you're going to sort those things that you found into 3 categories, okay? We're not overthinking this, we're just picking up each item and thinking, you know, which category does it belong to? So it's either obvious rubbish, trash, or recycling. And if you haven't dealt with that room of doom for a long time, there's probably quite a lot of stuff that can just go straight in the bin. Your second category will be things that belong somewhere else in the house that you haven't put away properly. You know, we talk a lot about that in the series of pick up and put away. Items that have ended up in there but belong somewhere else. And then the third category are items that still have some use in them. You're not using them, you don't love them, so they're going to be donated or given away. So that's it. We're not overthinking things. It's either trash or recycling, items that are being held on to that you're going to keep in your home, or items that you're moving out. That is it. And when the timer goes off, you get to stop. And as I said in the videos last week, I know a lot of you are seeing progress and then you want to do more. You can, as long as you promise me that you take a break, then you can do one more box, okay? But really today, I just want you to go into that space, take something out of it and deal with it. That's all we're doing. And as usual, you're welcome to comment down below. Tell me how you're getting on, because I love the progress that you're seeing with these tiny tasks. It's small wins every day. And that's what I want for you. I want this kind of, instead of feeling bad about your home, knowing that you can do this, okay? And I will be giving you a wee pom-pom shake. Remember to, as I said, keep taking breaks. And I shall see you back here tomorrow at the kitchen table in Copenhagen. So off you go with a rah, rah, rah.